Shut up. I'll talk to him and go to bed. Shut up.
Hey, chicken wing. Sorry.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Simon, don't touch my phone. You're excited. I love you. What?
Fuck Karen. What the fuck? Fucking chewing in the fucking fire.
We've made this big.
I love you too. How was your day?
Don't touch me.
Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you.
Tell the puppy you love him.
I love you.
Are you doing anything fun tonight? You farted? What? Okay, well that's kind of gross.
What?
Shut up!
You. Why do I have to shut?
You be quiet!
You be quiet.
You shut up!
Woohoo! Was that good?
Too fucking good. It's good. Bye, nerd.
Really? You look silly. Yeah, you're silly. What?
Oh, yeah. Whatever. You better leave me alone. I'm not playing. No.
Ooh, let the birds out. Chirp, 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 chirp. Ooh. Do I do this one? Just like I remember.
Nigel the Builder.
What's your problem today? Is it because I didn't put water?
Yeah.
Can you guess how each of my 4 parrots react to the snow? Now, first off, when you've got a netted garden because you own parrots, snow doesn't do too well with it, so it's really sagged, but that's fine. I've desperately wanted snow for ages. First up, we have little Sammy the African Grey. She doesn't seem too bothered by it. She's not affected at all. She just wants to get back inside for her breakfast. And then we have Shelby. I couldn't believe how beautiful Shelby made the snow look. She is so bright and so colourful against this sort of grey monochrome colour of the snow. She just looks stunning, and she's looking really healthy at the moment, which is good. Loki freaked the hell out and wouldn't go outside, so we just had to sit in front of the window and gaze. And Tommy, who just isn't bothered by anything on this planet, was taking everything in her stride. She absolutely loved it, and this is the best angle of Tommy. Fight me. She looks stunning with her nose hair all fluffed up like that. Who else is so excited that it's snowing? Let me know.